Hey, this is Mike at Woodstove and Fireplace Glass, and today we're going to talk to you about cleaning your glass on your Woodstove or fireplace. We start out using our glass cleaner. The thing we like about this, it's a foaming cleaner, so it actually puts a foam on the glass itself, and as you'll see, it does a really good job. Just so it doesn't make a mess, I lay newspaper underneath the glass where I'm putting it, and like you see, it's a foaming glass cleaner. It works pretty slick, and then I always spray it right on the newspaper itself and just kind of soak it in it. Then if you take this and dip it in your ashes, so I got ashes on my newspaper, and I just start wiping it on the glass. Now it sounds kind of funny, but you're making like a paste out of the ash and the glass cleaner. But as you can see, it's taking that right off there. Then I'll spray it on again just a little bit, just so it's good and wet. And I'll just take a regular old paper towel and wipe it down. You can see how clean that makes it. It also helps, the more often you clean it, the easier it is the next time. Like if I let this go for 3 or 4 burns, I'd be struggling a lot more to clean this off. So we typically will clean it after every burn. Actually, we usually do it before the next burn. But you see it cleaned it up really slick. WoodstoveFireplaceGlass.com, or go to the link at the bottom of this page.